3.
Gosh, it's such a beautiful day. We should go do something outdoors. Like, what's there to do in Columbus, Texas? Hey, what's this place?
Huh, it looks like it says Howell Canoe Livery. Let's see what this place...
Canoes and kayaks and tubes. Let's check it out.
See what this place has to offer. Looks good to me.
Back this hitch up into the water. Untie all the cables and rope. Step onto the astroturf. Get yourself a koozie. Let's go. Who said anything about skiing? Floating is all I wanna do. You can climb the ladder, just don't rock the boat while I barbecue. On the pontoon, making waves and catching rays up on the roof. Jumping off the back, don't act like you don't want to. Party in slow motion, out here in the open. Motorboating. Reach your hand down into the cooler. Don't drink it if the mountains are blue. Try to keep it steady as you recline on your black inner tube. Pontoon, making waves and catching rays up on the roof. Jumping off the back, don't act like you don't want to. Party in slow motion, out here in the open. Motorboating. Wood paneling with a water slide. Can't beat the heat, so let's take a ride. On the pontoon, making waves and catching rays up on the roof. Jumping off the back, don't act like you don't want to. Party in slow motion, I'm out here in the open. Motorboating.
Down the Flint River, catch yourself a little catfish dinner. Don't it sound like
lazy yellow moon coming up tonight, shining through the trees. Crickets are singing and lightning bugs are floating on the breeze. Baby, get ready. Across the field where the creek turns back by the old stone road, I'm gonna take you to a special place that nobody knows. Baby, get ready.